G'day mates, Miss V here, coming to you live from Australia. We've been given an amazing opportunity to go on a 2D shape safari, and I'm here with the leading expert in the field, Jeff Dundee.
G'day Miss V, and g'day Allen Elementary. I'm an expert in the field of 2D shapes, not this field right back here.
Not bad.
Oh. I'm a shapeologist professor from Sydney University. I come from a long line of shapes experts. My father, my father's father, and his father before him. I've been wrangling shapes of all sizes and colors since I was just a wee tyke.
Well, I think we're in great hands, and I'm excited to get started. What shape do you think we're going to encounter first?
Well, Miss V, when you're going on a wild 2D shape safari, you never know quite what you're going to find. However, today I'll be taking us to the Great Plains region of Australia, where herds of triangles are known to roam wild and free. So kick back, throw some shrimp on the barbie, and let's get started.
I'm ready. So, as you all know, we're headed to the Great Plains to explore where the triangles roam free. All right, and I noticed that as we approach, we're going to get a bit quieter. Before we get there, let's go over the attributes that a triangle must have so we can properly identify them. So, I know that a triangle must have 3 sides, and it must have 3 vertices.
A vertice is the point where 2 of the sides of a triangle meet. Right here.
Yes, that is true. Now, I actually do have a question for you, Jeff Dundee. To be considered a triangle, do all 3 sides need to be the same length?
No, the sides of a triangle can be all sorts of different lengths.
Do they have to be a certain size, or can you have large triangles and smaller triangles?
Oh, Miss V, triangles come in all shapes and sizes.
Okay, so as we search for them, let's properly identify them and look for a vast amount of triangles of all sorts of shapes and sizes.
I think I spot one right here.
I think you do.
Alright, Miss V, dusk has fallen now. We've been tracking this kind of triangles for about 2 hours now. They went to the watering hole and now they're looking for a place to bed down for the night. Some hunters in the safari are nocturnal hunters, which means they hunt at night, so they're looking for a good place to hide. Let's approach from downwind silently, and let's try to identify some of them.
Right, so as we approach, we're going to remember those attributes. A triangle must have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Right. Typically, a triangle has not been known to associate with other shapes outside of its kind.
Oh,
so
look,
my
we've got a big
assumption...
herd here. We've got a big herd here. Lots of different shapes and sizes of the triangle here. What a great example.
Let's go ahead and see if they all have the attributes that a triangle has. We're looking for 3 sides and 3 vertices.
Now we're going to have to be real quiet now. Looks like they've gone to bed for the night. Let's go up and see what we can see.
All right, so I'm going to approach the large one. He looks fast asleep.
This one here is actually not a he, Miss V. This here is the matriarch of the herd. She leads the herd.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
As a shapeologist, I understand that you would know that better than I would.
Yes. However, she has the same attributes as the other triangles in the herd. So 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and 1 vertice, 2 vertice, 3 vertice.
I am noticing that. I wonder if all the other members of the tribe possess the same sort of attributes. It looks like you've got 3 sides, 3 vertices.
Now here we have a couple baby triangles.
I see.
Different lengths of the sides, but still a triangle.
Look at all these different triangles, all different shapes, all different lengths of sides.
Here we've got another pair.
I see
Pair of
them over
triangles
there.
here, and the young baby triangle here.
I see it.
And it looks like they're sleeping soundly and they're safe for the night.
What an amazing opportunity to see triangles in the natural habitat.
And as we talked about, Miss V, triangles, they can come in all shapes and sizes and apparently even different colors.
Yes, they can. Remember, the most important thing is that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices.